Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by launching the app in true Fullscreen so you can fix the persistent toolbar. First, press F11 or select Fullscreen inside the app. This forces the app to occupy the display. Next, disable obvious overlays like notification pop-ups, extension UI, and third-party toolbars because they inject elements into Fullscreen. Also, make sure your Windows or macOS display is set to a single primary monitor rather than extended modes. Otherwise, the system may surface toolbars from another screen. Once done, now you'll change settings that let toolbars appear over full screen. Open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and find any toolbar or overlay process. Turn off Always on Top or quit it so it no longer overlays your app. In System Settings, toggle Auto Hide for the taskbar or dock off and then back on to reset state. This often clears Z-order issues. Update your GPU drivers and the app, and review accessibility or overlay permissions that allow other apps to draw on top. These are common culprits. Finish by fully restarting the app and then the computer to apply changes. Many UI issues clear only after a reboot. Test exclusive full-screen modes, not windowed borderless, and use F11 to confirm the toolbar no longer appears. If the toolbar persists, perform a clean boot or safe mode to isolate which process causes the overlay, then re-enable services one at a time. If you get stuck, disable browser extensions or GPU compositing temporarily to see if an extension or hardware acceleration is responsible. This single troubleshooting step solves many cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.